Every single day I got in the kitchen, screaming every say it's for a ball of the dishes. And Julius remember, he's a monster I live with. That's the reason why I see, cause I just reached my limit.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Prism the East guy. This video contained valid emergency alert tone. As the creators is not responsible for any of these tones, all the EAS marks are fake ones I make, are for entertainment purposes only. Also, please don't not idiot by playing the tones in the air, because that will have mass panic and confusion. Prism the East guy does not own any music and sound effects and audios in each scenario. Anyways, go grab a packed ice cream and a Coca-Cola, and enjoy the each scenario.
That's a feel. Let's do it.
More information that dangerous.
Yes, I do. Yes, we're having a day for the zombies and the purge. And today is something how tomorrow. Alright, it's Kate a stick now. It's time to Kate a stick now. Hurry.
More, glue, glue, do, cake.
What the hell is that? Well, I need for another story for about 12 years.
Time to see which of the three of you will be eliminated.
Can you see really any of? Aha! I have no idea. Oh my god, this is Billy and Billy Major.
Billy, this birthday's in the closet simple nightmare.
Alright, here we go. Brightness on!
Here we go! Dry my eyes! Everyone, cover your eyes!
Power Ranger!
Yes.
Yeah, we aren't at Karen anymore.
Yeah, we are following the system.
We are Power Rangers! A champion going to meet you!
I have a gunshot.